Hi, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Amazon Selling Coach to find really hot products to sell on Amazon. It's unbelievable how many times I've spoken to people about this and they just don't know it exists and don't use it. So I use it all the time. It's the first place I go when I'm looking for new products to sell. So the way you need to go is you go on Amazon Selling Coach on your dashboard and you click on Growth. And the items that you're gonna appear are product opportunities which Amazon suggests that you sell. And this is based on personalized recommendations, based on buyer interest, number of competing offers, current inventory, and other factors. And when I've listed items from this growth tab, I have had some really hot sellers from it. So Amazon are doing all the work for you. You just got to find the supplier and list it. So there are a few things that I look out for, and the first thing I look for is to try and find an item that's actually got no offers, because it will show you the offers. Especially, I'd never piggyback off the back of an item where it's just one offer available. But go and find the ones where there's no offers available. Now, the majority of the time, this will be because the item is out of stock everywhere. But sometimes you'll find that you can find a supplier that has it, and then you are the only seller on that particular item. So those are the first ones that I go for. So if we take a look at this one. So what I would do is I would right click on the photograph, go to my image search options, and I probably either do Google search, or you can go to any of these suppliers here. So let me do Google search and see what comes up. So it's selling on Amazon, sorry, it's selling on eBay, Walmart, anywhere else that we would go and have a look at. So probably take a look at Walmart first. And yeah, it's out of stock with Walmart. So another thing you can do is go back to the item. Got it on Amazon, and click on the actual Amazon listing and go down to the description and just take a couple of lines, right click and copy, and then pop those lines into the search bar and see if anything else comes up. Okay, so now we've got Kmart, Target, Brookstone, Jet, Home Depot. Okay, let's have a look at Home Depot and check that the photographs are the same. So there's 5 more down here. So this is quite a distinguishable photo. You can see that you've got a coloured top there. So let's just go back to the Amazon listing, see if there's any. Yep, there you go, there's that photograph. So it is the same item. You can see the ranking, it's 829,000, so it's not a bad ranking, and you have got a supplier for it in Home Depot and you can list it. Okay, so what you can also do is you can set recommendation preferences, so you can include certain brands that you're selling from, or you can exclude certain brands as well. So you can tailor make that the suggestions that you want. But if we also go to search recommendations, oh, hang on a second, that seems to have disappeared. Let's go back a minute. Go back onto the growth. Right, here you go. This link here says view more growth opportunities. You click on that and you've got a whole load of here with some really useful data. So you've got 252 results, all right, and you can filter these depending on what you want to look at. So you've got all sales ranks here that you can look at, the number of offers. So as what I was saying about, go for the ones that have got no offers first and have a look at there first. You've got the amount of customer reviews, and so you've got the amount of customer reviews and then the average customer review there. So lots of useful, really useful information, and you can either list straight from there or you can list in the normal way. So do use that growth tool. It really, really does help, and just have a good play around with it. So hopefully you found that useful. And if you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there'll be lots more useful videos coming your way. And if you like this video, please put a like underneath, and if you've got any questions at all, always happy to answer. Pop it in the comment below. If you're watching this on Facebook, then please go and have a look at the See First, click on that, therefore you're not going to miss any of the information that I will be putting on my Facebook page, Dropship Blonde. Okay, that's it for now, so take care and speak to you soon. Bye for now.